Hello? Hello? Hello! Okay, good day to everyone. So last time we had already a discussion about problem solving involving Venn diagram with two sets, which is to be continued. So this is the continuation of problem solving involving Venn diagram, and what we are going to tackle today will be with three sets. Okay, so what we're going to have today is a Venn diagram, of course. Now I have here a rectangle, which is our universal set, and anything placed inside the rectangle is a part of universal set. Now, in our introduction, I already told you that we are going to have problem solving involving three sets. So as expected, you are going to see three circles. Okay, so let the blue circle be my set A, let the green circle be my set B, and let the violet circle be my set D. Now, you will see here na nagkaroon ng overlapping ng circles. Okay? Bale, si set A nag-overlap kay set B, kay set D. Ganon din si set B nag-overlap kay set A. Ganon din si set D nag-overlap kay set B at saka set A. And then, nagkaroon tayo ng mga area doon na ng overlapping. So, nagkaroon ng portion, ng region, parang nagkaroon ng subdivision. And what I am going to do today is that I'm going to explain kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng mga portion na yon bago tayo mag-solve ng problem. Okay, so here is my Venn diagram. The first region or first portion, okay, let me just say portion para dun sa mga portion na nag-overlap ha or yung mga subdivisions doon sa tatlong circles natin. Okay, so that first portion is none other than but set A only. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung portion na yon, okay, yung blue na yon, doon mo makikita yung mga elements na nakay A lang. Wala si set B, wala noon si set D. Okay? A only. Okay, so let us have the next one. The next one will go to the green, okay, for set B. And what I am going to do is that I'm going to shade that part, okay? So that part, that portion tells us that it is the elements that belong to set B only. Okay? Set B only. Then, we'll go to the violet circle. Okay? So the violet circle, that portion you see there is none other than but the elements that belong to set D only. Only, okay? Hindi, wala doon si set A, wala doon si set B. Set D only. Okay, and going back again to the Venn diagram, okay, so I have here a Venn diagram again. Now, I have shaded there the pink one. What does that pink shaded portion means? Ang ibig sabihin ng shaded portion na yan, which is the pink one, that is none other than but the intersection of set A and set B. Okay? Walang kinalaman doon si set D ha. Walang kinalaman si set D kasi pinapakita ng portion na yon, ng pink na yon, na parte siya ng set A at naging parte din siya ng set B. And then, the next shaded portion naman is none other than but the intersection of set B and set D. So, walang kinalaman si set A doon. Although, nag-overlap yung blue na circle, okay, nakikita nyo naman yung blue na circle, parang nandun siya part sa gitna, hiniwan niya yung kulay brown natin, but you don't have to be confused kasi ang ibig sabihin nito ng brown na shaded portion na yan, pinapahiwatig niya na naging parte siya ng set B at naging parte rin siya ng set D. Okay. Then next, I'm going to shade that portion. That yellow portion naman, as you can see, Okay? That is none other than but the intersection of set A and set D. Now again, you do not have to be confused kasi yung shaded portion na yun, okay, yun ay walang iba kundi yung mga elements na parte ng set A at parte ng set D. Walang kinalaman doon si set B, although may portion na nag-overlap yung circle green natin. Okay, let us have the last region. I'm going to shade the portion there that tells us that it is the intersection of set A, the intersection of set B, and the intersection of set D. Ibig sabihin, yung part na yon, okay, yung orange portion na yon na nakikita ninyo ay parte siya ng kulay blue na circle, parte siya ng kulay green na circle, at parte rin siya ng kulay violet na circle. So, that is the intersection of set A, set B, and set C. Now that I have discussed to you the meaning of each region when three circles or three sets overlaps in a Venn diagram, let us now have the following problem. Okay, problem number 1. 50 people are asked about the social media accounts they have in their mobile phones. The Venn diagram shows the result, okay? So let B, the circle F, be the Facebook, let T be the TikTok, and let I be the Instagram. So here is the Venn diagram. Take a look at the Venn diagram up there. Alright, the blue one is for Facebook, the blue circle is for the TikTok, and the violet one is for the Instagram. And I'm going to put numbers there. So 19, 12, 7, I put 5 there, I put 6 there, okay, and I put 3 there. Now, let's answer the following questions. Okay, so going back to the problem again, alright, I put there the Venn diagram, just take a look at it. Alright, let us now answer the following questions, I mean, because there are so many questions that we are going to answer. How many people have Facebook, TikTok, Instagram? How many people have Facebook and TikTok? TikTok and Instagram? Facebook and Instagram? All three. How many people have Facebook only? How many people have TikTok only? How many people have Instagram only? How many people have Facebook and TikTok but not Instagram? How many people have TikTok and Instagram but not Facebook? And how many people have Facebook and Instagram but not TikTok? Okay? So as you can see, there are A to M questions there, as you can see, but we're going to answer it one at a time, and I hope that you will really cope with this problem that we are going to solve. Okay? Okay, so here's the Venn diagram. Alright, now let's answer the question for letter A. How many people have Facebook? Okay, so where is the Facebook there? May I shade it for you? There's your Facebook. Okay? So, what are we going to do? As you can see, meron tayong numbers doon na 19, 12, 5, and 7. Okay? So, para masagot natin yan, syempre, dapat marunong kayo mag-add. Ang gagawin natin is we're just only going to add that. Okay? So, i-add lang natin sila. So, 19 plus 12 plus 5 plus 7. Ganun lang. Kung ano man yung maging sagot natin dyan, yun yung sagot. Okay, so 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 5 is 16, plus 7 is 23. Alright? So, 23 2 plus 1 plus 1 is of course 4. So therefore, our answer is 23. Yun, ganun lang. Ibig sabihin, may 43 na merong Facebook account sa kanilang cellphone or maybe in any gadgets. Okay? Basta may Facebook. It doesn't necessarily be na kinakailangan ay may TikTok din siya or may Instagram din siya. For as long as meron siyang Facebook sa cellphone niya, then kasama siya dyan sa 43. Okay? Alright, so let's have the following Venn diagram again. Let's answer letter B question. How many people have TikTok accounts? Okay, so to answer that, where is your TikTok? Your TikTok is the green circle, right? So let us shade it. May I shade it for you? There you go. So, as you can see, yung numbers na nakikita ninyo doon, which is 12, 5, and 6, i-add lang natin yon. So, 12 plus 5 plus 6, this is equal to what? 7 plus 6 is 13. So, add it. Therefore, your answer is 23. So, i-add lang daw yun. Yun lang. Ganun lang gagawin natin. Hanapin lang natin kung nasaan yung bilog ng TikTok. Alright? Ibig sabihin, merong 23 na tao na meron silang TikTok account. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na TikTok lang yung meron sila. Maaaring ang ilan sa 23 na to, okay, ang ilan sa 23 na yan ay pwedeng meron din silang Facebook account, meron din silang TikTok account, pero kasama pa rin sila sa merong TikTok. Okay? Okay, so let us have the following problem. Let's answer letter C. Letter C, how many people have Instagram account? Okay? So, lilinawin ko lang ulit ha. Hindi ibig sabihin na ang tanong ay how many people have Instagram ay Instagram lang yung meron na account sila. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin ng Instagram nito ay ang ibig sabihin ng tanong na to ay pwedeng meron silang TikTok, meron din silang Facebook, okay? Pero, dahil meron silang Instagram account, kasama sila dyan. Okay? So, nasaan ba yung circle natin ng Instagram? Ang circle natin na yung Instagram ay yung color violet. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin, i-add lang natin yung numbers na yan na nakikita ninyo na nasa loob ng violet. What are those numbers? Okay? So, we're going to add 5, 7, and 3. So, 5 plus 7 plus 3, this is equal to what? 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, yung 15 na to, sila yung merong Instagram account. Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin na sila yung merong, sila na yung 15 na estudyante, tao na Instagram account lang talaga ang meron sila. Hindi lahat, okay? So, yun ang ibig sabihin nun. Okay, let's have again the Venn diagram. Let's answer letter D question. How many people have Facebook and TikTok? Okay, so this time, ang hinihingi naman ay Facebook and TikTok. Ibig sabihin, meron silang dalawang account. Okay? Sino-sino daw, ilan yung merong Facebook and TikTok. So, kapag nakakita kayo ng ganitong question or ganitong problem na ang hinihingi ay Facebook and TikTok, ibig sabihin, both meron sila. Okay? Meron siya. Let's say ako, meron akong Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. Kapag tinanong mo ako kung meron ba akong Facebook and TikTok, syempre, sasagot ako ng oo. Kasi may Facebook naman talaga ako at saka TikTok. Pero kung halimbawa, tinanong ko yung iba, kunwari siya, okay? Kunwari si Chari, meron siyang Facebook at saka TikTok. Yun lang ang meron siya. Kunwari, yun lang meron siya, ha? Kapag tinanong ko siya, kung meron ba siyang Facebook and TikTok, kasama siya doon sa bilang, okay? Kasi meron naman talaga siyang Facebook at saka TikTok. Alright, so let's answer the following. Based from the given Venn diagram, Okay, I have already encircled there the Facebook kasi yun yung kailangan natin. And the TikTok, which is kulay green, yun yung kailangan natin, di ba? Hanapin natin ngayon kung nasaan yung sinasabi dyan na N. Ibig sabihin, meron siya parehas. Alright, nasaan yun? Yan, tanggalin natin yun kasi pampalito yun. Yan, that portion tells us that sila yung merong Facebook at meron din silang TikTok. Dalawa ang kanilang account. So what we're going to do is that add 12 and 5. Ipa-plus lang natin yon. 12 plus 5 is equal to what? Right, 17. Yun na. Yun na yung sagot natin. Okay, so let us have the following Venn diagram. Let's answer letter E. How many people have TikTok and Instagram? So to answer this, hanapin muna natin kung nasaan yung TikTok. Anong kulay ba yung TikTok natin? That's color green. And hanapin naman natin kung nasaan yung ating Instagram. That's color violet. Okay? So tanggalin natin yung hindi natin kailangan kasi nagpapalito yun sa atin. Alright? And then, let us shade that part that tells us that they have both TikTok and Instagram. Nasaan yun? That part. Okay. So as you can see, isang number lang nakikita nyo. No worries. And therefore, edi yun na yung sagot natin, 5. Okay? Ibig sabihin, may 5 tao na meron silang dalawang account. TikTok and Instagram. Okay? So let us answer letter F. How many people have Facebook and Instagram? So to answer that, syempre, hanapin muna natin kung nasaan yung Facebook. Okay? And then hanapin natin yung Instagram. So there's your Facebook, the blue circle. And there's your Instagram, the violet circle. And then after natin mahanap yon, tanggalin natin yung hindi natin kailangan. Okay? So let's remove the TikTok one. Shade the portion that tells end. Okay? So yung part na yon, the shaded portion which is the yellow one, i-add lang daw natin si 7 at saka 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to what? Right, that is 12. Ibig sabihin, merong 12 na meron silang Facebook account at Instagram account. Okay, so let us answer the next question. Letter G. How many people have all three? So, ibig sabihin, ilan daw yung meron na siyang Facebook, meron pa siyang Twitter, at meron pa siyang Instagram. So, lahat ng tatlo ay meron siya. Para masagot natin yon, okay, I encircled there the blue circle for our Facebook, and the violet circle for my Instagram, and the green circle for my TikTok. Nasaan dun yung nagpapakita ng all three? Okay, let me shade it for you. There, okay? So, may susolve ka ba? Wala ka na may susolve kasi yun na yung nagpapakita na meron siyang Facebook, meron siyang TikTok, at meron siyang Instagram. Okay, so let us now proceed to the next question. How many people have Facebook only? So, paano malaman natin kung nasaan yung, I already told you that this Facebook only, okay, so kapag may nakita kayong only, it is found somewhere in this portion, okay? That. Nakikita nyo ba yung kulay blue there? Yung blue shaded portion there? That tells us that yung portion na yon is none other than but the Facebook only. So, you don't have to compute. No computation kung ano na yung nakalagay doon. Therefore, that is already the answer. Okay, so let us have the next one. The next one is we are asked to determine how many people have TikTok only. So in this case, again, you are asked where is that portion which tells us that yun yung TikTok only. So, may I shade it for you there. So, as you can see there, that green portion there is none other than but the TikTok only. Do you need to compute? There is no more computation. So, therefore, our answer is 6. Okay, so next, let us answer the question, how many people have Instagram only? So, in this case, syempre, doon tayo titingin sa kulay violet na circle. Okay, so nasaan doon yung portion na nagsasabing only, alright? May I shade it for you? There. So, that part tells us that yun lang daw yung Instagram only. So, are you going to compute? No more computation. So, therefore, your answer is 3 only. Okay, so let us now answer the question. How many people have Facebook and TikTok but not Instagram? So, in this case, hanapin natin kung nasaan yun. Alright? So, parang pinaghalo siyang intersection and then difference. First, hanapin muna natin kung nasaan yung circle ng Facebook. Okay? So, there's your Facebook. And then, hanapin natin kung nasaan yung ating TikTok. Okay? Kunin natin yung intersection nila. We know pretty well na yung intersection nila ay yung part na nasa gitna. Okay? Yung part na nasa gitna. Let me shade it for you. There. However, ang hinihingi ay yung Facebook and TikTok but not. Okay? So, there is the word here, not. Ibig sabihin, intersection ng Facebook and TikTok pero hindi kasama ang Instagram. So, as you can see, yung Instagram natin ay yung violet circle and yung shaded portion natin na overlap niya yung ating Instagram. Kumbaga, yung 5 na nasa ilalim nun, nag-overlap, okay? So, nag-overlap siya. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay tatanggalin natin yon. We have to erase that. Alright? So, erase that black portion. Okay? Pag na-erase na natin, nasaan yung sagot? Kung ano yung shaded portion, yun yung sagot. So, if I'm going to shade it for you, there. Okay? So, that part tells us that that is the answer. So, 12. No more computation. Okay? So, let us now again find how many people have TikTok and Instagram but not Facebook. So, in this case, hanapin natin kung nasaan muna yung TikTok. Ang TikTok natin ay yung kulay green and ang Instagram natin ay yung kulay violet. So, there's your TikTok and there's your Instagram. Okay? So, ang pinapakuha sa atin ay ano daw yung TikTok and Instagram but not. So, not Facebook. So, ibig sabihin, tatanggalin natin doon yung part na, yung portion na na-overlap ni Facebook. So, first, let me shade for you the TikTok and Instagram intersection. So, nakikita nyo naman, di ba, yung green and violet. This portion, yung sinishadan kong kulay yellow, yan yung portion ng intersection ni TikTok and Instagram. However, ang hinihingi nga ay TikTok and Instagram only but not Facebook. So, hindi kasama ang Facebook. So, therefore, erase the portion of erase the portion of the Facebook na overlap. Na-overlap ni TikTok at saka ni Instagram. So, nasaan yun? Ito yun, di ba? Okay, so erase natin yan. Therefore, kung ano yung matira dyan, di yun na yung sagot. So, let me shade it for you. So, that part is none other than but the TikTok and Instagram but not Facebook. So, anong sagot natin? Do you have an answer? none. So, hindi ka pwedeng magsulat ng, wala kang isusulat na sagot. You just write none, or dahil wala namang sagot, you write 0. Okay? Or 0. So, that will be your answer. Okay? So, let us now proceed to the last. Sa wakas, malapit na tayo. Patapos na tayo. How many people have Facebook and Instagram but not TikTok? So, to answer this, first, hanapin muna natin kung nasaan yung Facebook, okay? And then, pag nahanap na natin yun, hanapin naman natin yung Instagram. Kunin natin yung intersection. Pag nakuha yung intersection, tanggalin yung TikTok. Ganun lang, okay? So, there's your Facebook, the blue one. There's your Instagram, the violet one. Kunin natin ang intersection. So, the intersection is this portion. Pag nakuha na natin ang intersection is that, tanggalin na natin ngayon yung part ng TikTok. Di ba yung TikTok natin ay yung green na overlap niya si Facebook and Instagram doon sa 5. So, tatanggalin natin ngayon tong portion na to, which is your 5. Ang matitira ngayon ay, anong sagot? Ang sagot natin ay 7. No more computation. Okay, so this is the last part of problem solving involving Venn diagram with 3 sets. I hope you learned a lot in this lesson.